Hello.
Hello. I'm Paul from KAEFER Benelux, and I'm a digital improvement specialist now over 3 years in KAEFER.
I'm Feijter. I'm also with KEAFER Digital Improvement Specialist. I've been working for KEAFER Benelux for 2 years now. KEAFER is a worldwide company spread over 30 countries, but we are working for the Benelux, so that's Belgium, the Netherlands and Luxembourg. And our main specialty is scaffolding and insulation. Our main focus is on getting to know our clients really well and fill up to their desires, their needs especially. So we are building a firm relationship with our clients. Our main focus is on maintenance in industrial plants. We do a lot of turnarounds.
When we started 3 years ago with a system developed by KAEFER, and we found out it didn't meet our requirements. Let's say didn't fit all of our requirements, and mainly due to the lack of a client portal. So we went searching for a client portal, and we compared different solutions. And based on already the experience from KAEFER UK, we got out to Excelpoint. And first we talked about the client portal, and it quite fast went already to an entire system, as we experienced all the possibilities, and we thought we could cover the entire order to invoice process, so why not, basically.
The main reason we chose for Excelpoint software is the flexibility of the system. Rather than having an off-the-shelf product which was maybe in-house produced for us but didn't fulfill all the needs of the KAEFER Benelux specific. So that's why we're looking for something with more flexibility, and Excelpoint could offer that. That allows us to make sure the connections we have with our clients and the desires they have, we can fulfill all of them.
We in the Benelux have a wide variety of customers, we have a wide variety of contract settings, etc. So we must need, as you mentioned, flexibility to add settings, etc. just for our own needs. And the hard thing is, globally in KAEFER, the contracts differ quite a lot, and that's why we really needed a Benelux specific solution. We can set everything to our own needs, and we can maintain it ourselves, and that was just I think one of the key differentiators to go for Excelpoint.
There are various things that Excelpoint has allowed KAEFER to improve over time. We are now able to put our entire work process, from work request to invoice, everything is in Excelpoint, whereas before we had several different systems. We were doing a lot of things on paper, and that could be reduced almost completely. Besides that, there's also the aspect of being a no-code platform, meaning that both Paul and myself with no IT background are able to maintain, build within the Excelpoint software, and that way we are not relying on another company, or we don't need too much help from Excelpoint to make sure everything we want is built in the system. It makes us able to transform all of our wishes and our clients' desires into the system.
And if I may add to that, when we write as-built tickets, as we call them, so the tickets containing dimensions of the scaffold. Previously, when it was on paper, we noticed that papers were written, were sent to the client. They got there, they were sitting there for a couple of months maybe. In the time we of course didn't return the ticket signed, so we were waiting for our money, of course, to invoice it. And in the meantime, yeah, nothing happened really. And whereas now we can enter the ticket digitally, we can remind the client to sign it, to be honest. And we just noticed that the period where the client signs the ticket is just become way shorter, and this is of course a big deal for revenue on the longer term. Else, I would say for a foreman going to the site manager and etc. from their point of view, we see some sites where the foreman gets called all the time, and it's one big pile of work requests where they can't keep track of what needs to be done first. And in our current system, we can get a good overview of what are the jobs that need to be done, what are the priorities, and a foreman is just able to schedule the work exactly to the customer needs, and that's a big, of course, big differentiator in customer satisfaction, and how we can serve them, of course.
Another aspect is that we can make our system multilingual. The scaffolding and insulation industry is very international, as we have scaffolders from all over Europe. We might expand our software to other countries KAEFER is active in. By maintaining the dictionary ourselves, we allow all of our users to be able to understand the full process completely as it's in their native language. If I would have to advise other companies that are looking for a digital solution, I would advise them to go look for something which they have to build up themselves, so a no-code or low-code platform. Don't be afraid that you have to build up everything yourself. It might seem like a lot of work, but it's actually not. It's very easy, quickly set up, so I think maybe even it will cost you less to set it up yourself, and you have a lot of benefits besides that, because you have all the needs specifically for your company implemented. And you can also take into account the needs of your colleagues, so the whole board can be included. Every person who has a say in the company feels heard, and the specific needs are implemented.
We took our regional people on the journey, as Arjen mentioned, and we had lots of meetings with people from all over Belgium, Netherlands, of course the right people, because it's really important to get the right stakeholders on board. But besides that, we could build things on the go if everyone was let's say on the same opinion, and that just really shows the flexibility of the no-code platform. And you could build things, as you mentioned, really fast and get progress really quick.